Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by meeting the prerequisites, level 10 and a balanced team ready. Once done, travel to the Halvantic region, use the map markers to speed navigation. Make sure to stock consumables, at least 20 heals and 5 revives, plus capture tools for encounters. As you enter, save often. This prevents losing progress if you faint. The why is simple. Preparedness speeds captures and reduces resets. Now approach the first encounter methodically, bait an ability, then switch to a counter to secure the upper hand. Once you find the Halvantic Loomian, focus on controlled weakening and status synergy. You want HP reduced to the 1/4 or 0. 5 threshold. That maximizes capture odds while avoiding a knockout. Make sure to apply sleep or paralysis at the moment you plan to throw strong capture tools, because status increases success. Use switching to absorb high damage moves, and bait healing or support spells before committing. The why, lowering HP plus status stacks capture modifiers, so patience here saves reloads and resource. To finish, use your best capture tool when HP and status modifiers are optimal, throw decisively and stay calm. If capture fails, immediately reset to your last save and change your opening tactic. Swap the attacker or delay status infliction by 1 turn. Make sure to note spawn times and behavior patterns. This helps you predict moves on retries. One key troubleshooting tip: if you repeatedly faint, swap to a bulkier lead and practice baiting the Loomian into predictable actions before committing to capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.